How to download the Play Store on PC. Most people give up because they pick the wrong version of BlueStacks. Watch this entire video to avoid that mistake. First, go to the official BlueStacks website to begin the process of getting Android apps on your computer. Choose between BlueStacks 5 or BlueStacks 10 based on your computer's power. Here is the secret. BlueStacks 5 is lighter and faster for low-end systems. BlueStacks 10 is cloud-based and needs a strong internet connection. Click the download button for the version you selected. Keep watching. The next step is where beginners get stuck. Run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Android emulator on your system. This step is very important. Do not click Next too fast. Read each option carefully. One wrong click can install unwanted software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the BlueStacks application. You will see an Android-style dashboard. Take a moment to look around. This interface works exactly like a tablet. Your apps and games will live right here. If you don't see the Play Store, click on the System Apps folder. It is hidden there on some versions. Keep watching because the final step is where you finally start downloading. Now use the search bar or click on the App Player icon to find the Google Play Store icon. Click on the Play Store icon and sign in with your Google account. That is it. You now have full access to thousands of Android apps and games. Start downloading your favorites today. Do not install too many apps at once on a low-RAM computer, or BlueStacks will slow down. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to double BlueStacks speed with one simple setting change.